The number of homes for sale in San Diego County plateaued just a little bit this week as new listings are down slightly and pending sales are level. Hang out for a few minutes and I will show you what's going on. Hello and welcome to everybody's favorite San Diego County real estate information program, San Diego Market Watch. We are back from our spring break trip to Pismo Beach and ready to report the market news to you. So thanks for stopping by and let's see what's happening. Looking at the number of homes for sale, that is up just a tick from last week, but still not quite touching this 5,000 line here, although I do believe we are going to get there very, very soon. The question is, how far past here will we go? New listings were down just a little bit over the last 7 days, which caused this to level. And pending sales were basically flat week over week. And so tracking these things every 7 days is maybe a little obsessive, but I think also useful in a way because we can see what's happening with the market in real time. Folks are always asking, is this a good time to buy? Is this a good time to sell? When you look at what the trends are, you can make informed decisions. So if you have any questions about any of this, please send us a message or give us a call, or of course you can like, share, subscribe, and comment so you don't miss any of this content. Now, interest rates down slightly over the last 7 days, which is good news for buyers and good news for sellers because it makes things easier for buyers. And the thing about rates is something that I've been saying over the weeks, and that is that once rates hit a low enough point, and nobody really can tell you with any certainty where that point is, you will see a lot of new listings and inventory will bounce up. The question there, and why? Why? Because there are a lot of sellers sitting in homes that have 3.5% mortgage rates or even 3% or less, and they don't want to make their move and buy a new house or property at 7%. They're waiting for rates to come down so they can make their moves. High rates keep sellers and buyers both stuck. So when rates really do come down, it will be interesting to see how the market reacts. A lot of people think naturally prices are just going to go up again because there'll be so many buyers on the street. However, that's not necessarily the case. Inventory is rising in San Diego County and certainly rising around the country. We see inventory going crazy in other parts of the country, and many experts say that's coming to a neighborhood near you too, although nobody can really say for sure. Although I can tell you, when rates come down to a certain point, probably somewhere in the mid to low fives, you're going to see a real flurry of new listings and sales like we haven't seen in a few years. So stay tuned for that. Well, that's what's going on this week in San Diego real estate. The data for March will be out in a day or two. It may even probably come out tomorrow or Monday, usually around the 5th of the month. So a week from today, we'll be doing our month-over-month real estate market overview and a more comprehensive look at the historical trends and what's going on. So stay tuned for that. And since we're back from our mini vacation, next week we'll have plenty of zip code updates for you, so stay tuned for those. Until then, have a great day and we'll talk to you soon.